this noise have been going on for 2 days now. I called the police. They obviously came. The noise stopped. Now the noise started again. So I'm gonna call them back again. Man, and hygiene not even up to par. Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's mom vlog, we're gonna start it off by taking down my hair. I've actually have a tutorial on how I did this, so if you want to see that, I'll link it for you guys. But I'm taking these out. I've had these in for almost a month, and I need to wash my hair and get it, give my hair a break. So that's what we're doing here. So this noise have been going on for 2 days now. I called the police. They obviously came. The noise stopped. Now the noise started again. So I'm gonna call them back again. Hi, I called earlier about the noise at obviously somebody was sent out here, but as soon as the police left, I'm figuring they turned on whatever that they had off on again, and now it's vibrating my window again, and it's been 2 days, and I'm really getting tired now at this point. 2 days, all day and all night. Okay, thank you. Bye. Swear to God, it's always something. So my hygiene routine, this is regular mouthwash, antibacterial. If I wanted to kiss people with evil floss, I'm a nasty mouth. If I want woman or man, and hygiene not even up to par. Mind you, this is something I do all day. I do this twice a day. My hygiene routine is twice a day. I asked my husband, okay, I don't even wake up with bad breath. You wanna brush your teeth, Papa? Here. Okay.
Teeth.
If when you floss your teeth, you see blood, you need a deep cleaner. I need a deep cleaning, but I'm actually waiting on my dental insurance to get switched over. This is peroxide. Baking soda and peroxide toothpaste. Scrape your tongue. And the reason why the toothpaste was so foamy is because I mixed it with regular peroxide. And if you're wondering why my teeth is white all the time, this is why. Sometimes I even go out. Thing I will say is when you're using the peroxide, you need to use it with a mouthwash or a toothpaste before, after, or during, because the peroxide alone have this weird taste in your mouth if you don't use something with some flavor to combat the flavor of the peroxide, and make sure the peroxide don't go down your throat. So yeah, Kai is still here brushing his teeth.
Cheese, cheese,
Cheese. So I had to call the cops on my neighbors, and I will be going to bed now. It's what time? It's 9:21. I hope you guys can see. 9:21. And Kai normally goes to bed at 9:30.
it's white.
So good night. Don't let the bed bug bite. See
tomorrow.
So Milani is 6 months old officially as of December 3rd, and I am sorting out her clothes. A lot of her clothes can't fit anymore, so her 0 to 3 months and 3 months old clothes can't fit. So I'm just sorting them out and label them and putting her stuff together because her drawer was a mess and I didn't know what could fit and what couldn't fit, so I'm sorting out my life. Right here, I'm just sorting out my clothes, and these are clothes that I have video coming up for. It is a 12 days of Christmas, and it's going to be 12 days of me supporting and shouting out black businesses that I purchased from Black Friday and over the course of the few months previously. So that's what I'm doing, and I have to put them in my closet. Y'all don't want to see this closet, okay? I need a custom closet. God's willing, it will come to pass, but this closet is I need a whole closet for myself. We can't share closet anymore, but yeah.
So I'm going to actually do one of our favorite cheat meals, and it is rice and peas with stir fry vegetable and stuffed brown sugar salmon. And I wanted to feature Jamaican on brand in my video because for 12 days straight on my channel I wanted to support black businesses. So this is probably going to be on the 20th, and this is the Jamaican owned brand that I'm going to be featured, and it is called Spice Jamaica, and this is how it looks. And I like this seasoning because it's super low, super duper low. It has 7% sodium and it's 150 mgs with this whole big bottle. So I really like this. It's Jamaican owned. Just type in spicejamaica.com. They have this, and this is the Reggae blend, and they also have this, which is the jerk seasoning, and this is a dry rub. This right here I used on Thanksgiving, and this was off the chain. Okay, this was bomb. Okay, and then this I've been using consistently, and I love it just the same. I feel like this can be a replacement for Larry's, especially if you're on a diet and you don't want to be taking a lot of sodium. So yeah, this is everything you're going to need. You're gonna need peas, coconut milk. This is jasmine rice. It has cereal on it, but it's rice. Spinach. You have some Philadelphia cream cheese, onion, your seasoning. I'm going to use this, the Reggae blend, and also some olive. And then your salmon. I'm going to start prepping the salmon and stuff, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. This is a little bit over half of Philadelphia cream cheese. So this is how the mixture is supposed to look. I'm gonna put it over here. Let it cool down. You also need a lemon and brown sugar.
So this is my famous brown sugar salmon that I always make when we're on a cheat meal, when we're vegan and we feel like we need some protein. We always do fish or shrimp. So I'm just gonna season my food with some obe and also my spice Jamaica Reggae blend seasoning because you guys know it's the best. So I like to put in my coconut milk when the peas are still hard because I like my coconut milk to boil a little bit. I find that if you don't let it boil, it will make your belly hurt. So I let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes and then I put in my rice. So where that clip went, I have no idea, but
So
this is
this
how the
is
rice
how
look.
the rice and peas look right here.
So I'm just gonna add some butter to my salmon. I season my salmon and then I made some pockets in the salmon, making sure I didn't cut the salmon all the way through. You just want an inch of pocket opening to put your stuffing in. And I'm using my country crock butter. You can use any butter you want, but you need to make sure it's spreadable. So you can use the one in the tube also, but I'm using country crock because that is my favorite type of butter to use. I also use butter in my rice and peas. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys the lid and the butter that I am using to spread over the fish. And this is going to keep my fish moist. Now all I'm doing is putting in my spinach mix in my fish and stuffing that spinach inside as best as I can. No worries if some of it get outside or you don't do it right or it falls outside. Just use tongs to pick them up and put them in the pot and it will keep the spinach mix inside the fish. And I like my salmon to cook 2 minutes on each side, and because I'm going to put it in the oven later on, and I'm going in between a tongue and a spatula because flipping these with the stuffing inside is pretty difficult. So I'm showing you guys exactly how I do it. Sometimes I gotta use a spatula and sometimes I gotta use tongs. Now I'm making my sugar mixture, and this is just some country crock butter, some sugar, brown sugar, and then I'm just gonna mix that up.
So I have my preheated oven on boil. Let's see.
Then when you take your salmon out the pot, you put it in a foil pan, then you're gonna just throw your sugar mixture on the salmon, and then you're going to put it in the oven on broil. I broil my salmon for 5 minutes max, and that's all you need for it to be completely done and completely cooked.
Alright, me done cook, baby. Ready for eat? Bill?
What, baby?
You ready for eat?
You cook?
Yes, I'm done.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is how the stuffed salmon look, and I'm gonna tell you, it tastes way better than it looks. Okay, it is amazing, if I don't say so myself. So you can try the recipe if you want. So this is Milani and Kai sleeping. I actually have schoolwork to do, and I'm showing you guys how I get my schoolwork done. I have finals, and it was a good thing that I actually went and looked at when my final was due, because I was of the impression that it was due a lot later than the date. So I'm showing you guys it's 12/10/2020, and I have to, Milani was up, I have to put her down and then get to doing my schoolwork. It was their nap time, and I had to do the practice test or the review for my maths course that was graded. So I had to do it, and I also had to do my test. So my test right here is due at 12/10/2020 at 5 p.m. And I'm going to show you what time it was when I figured out that it was today that my finals was due. Shout out to the man up above, because it was my intuition that told me to go check the date of my final, and see right here, it's 2:46 p.m. and my finals are due at 5 p.m. Okay, so this is my finals grade for school. Super proud of myself, super excited for my GPA because it's high. And it was a week well done for me. I got some things done that I wanted, like taking out my hair, sorting out clothes and stuff, and I got my final grades in. So these are my final grades. Shout out to everybody that's in school, that's mom doing the damn thing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope you guys like this mom vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.